I'm just here to do my job.
Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe because baby, I already know you're gonna love it here. Now today we have a wig install sponsored by Kadoyee hair, and baby, when I tell you this install is about to be detailed, like I'm really about to have you out here doing your own wig installs. No more going to the stylist, you are the stylist. Now Kadoyee hair sent us this T-part highlighted wig, and I'm pretty sure it came pre-plucked and pre-bleached because I really didn't have to do anything, but your girl is extra and I do like giving scalp, so I did go in and pluck a little bit more. Other than that, y'all, the wig was giving. The wig was really ready to be applied and installed right out the box. And you already know what it is. Had to go in with the bald cap. Yes, it's giving very much bald baddie, very much Caillou. And then I just went and put a little bit of makeup on the lace. Even though I am a light skin, that does not mean I don't need no makeup on my lace because it was definitely giving paper. It was giving notebook paper. But I ain't even gonna cap. As soon as I put it on my head, I was ready. I was already ready to go out the house because I was in love with this unit. I think it's the color. I don't know. I just wanted everybody to see how pretty this unit was. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and cut off all this extra lace because we really don't need that, and I really need to see what I'm doing. And now I'm just checking the unit out to make sure it fits my big old head, as my man would say. And then we're gonna go in with our hair glue. My hair glue is nothing special. I got this little Ghost Bond bottle from the beauty supplies, probably the fake brand, but who cares? It's still holding my lace down. And your first tip of this video is to use that glue. Don't be scared of using that glue. You want to give yourself at least an inch of glue. That's how much I put on my head, just to make sure that my units are staying on my head and they're not lifting every other day. But that is the key to making your installs last a little longer, is give yourself that inch of glue, let it dry, not all the way clear, but just clear enough, and then go ahead and slap that unit right on that glue. I'm talking about put the start of the hairline on top of the start of the glue. Then what I like to do is, once I have the unit once I have the unit on top of the glue, what I like to do is I like to comb it into the glue. That helps me secure that glue and that lace together. You especially want to focus on these ear tab parts because these are usually the parts that lift up the most. So I really dig into there. But now that we have our unit on top of our head all glued down, we're gonna tie it down, and I mean tight. Don't be scared to cut off a little circulation. It's just gonna help it melt better. So now that we done tied it down for about 10-15 minutes, let's observe the melt, because where is the lace? Just let me know. And you know I'm not gonna cap. This unit is so bomb, like the hair is just so soft. But anyways, I went ahead and combed it out just so y'all could have a better idea of what it would actually look like if you straightened it or whatnot. And it actually looks good. I did that, okay. Now I did go in and add some face framing layers to the front, only to give it a little bit more shape. I necessarily don't like having my hair all one length. I don't think it looks that good. But girl, you know, if you don't like the layers, then you don't have to add the layers. Now I did go ahead and add some edges and stuff on this wig. I did that off camera only because it was a little bit harder, only because this is a T-part wig. But you know, I did the damn thing. I did the thing. We also put some Shirley Temple curls in it. Now I was feeling these curls at first, but then I was like, it's giving too much curl. Like, I don't like too much curl. So you know me, I had to do a little 1-2 with the hot comb just to kind of straighten it out a little bit more. Since I don't like too much curl, all I did was just get the hot comb and press it out. Now we checking, and yeah, that's the energy I need. And boom, just like that, y'all, we are done. Yes. Now Kadoyee hair, I don't know why y'all sent me this wig, but baby, I'm never taking it off. If you are a beginner, girl, you need this wig. It literally took me like 2 seconds to install. But you already know, link to the wig will be in the description, and like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.